What's up guys and welcome back. I so forgot to record the intro to this video, so here I am. Today's look is based on a cut crease look with the use of Urban Decay's Naked Heat palette. It's a bomb ass palette. I just love it. And yeah, before I just blabber around, let's move on to the video and see how I've created this look. If you like it, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're new to our channel, do subscribe, and until the next video, bye bye. Mwah. Okay, let's begin. So I'm going to start by moisturizing my face. The routine by now is pretty much standard. I'm using this Aqua moisturizer from Nature's Republic. It has a beautiful fragrance and I love it. Next I'm going to use Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. This can be used in both ways, as a primer as well as a makeup setting spray. I just got this in the recent sale, Sephora sale. Sephora has, I think the sale is still on. What? Okay, so just changed my battery. Anyway, so I got this at recent Sephora sale. I think the sale will be still on, and I'm just applying spraying a generous amount of this primer water. I hope. I don't know. I've heard a lot about it. There are really good reviews about the same on the Sephora website, so hoping for it to do good. So I think this is fairly dry down, and now I'm going to move on with the primer, and here I'm going to use the Pore Minimizing Primer by Benefits. This is the professional primer. Again, like always, I'm just going to take a pea size of it because I just want to cover my pores. That's it, nothing much. I think in the recent times I've been in a good skin day, so not much to cover. The reason you have to just take it in your fingertips and massage it is because with the warmth of your fingers, it really settles well. So now I'm done with the primer. I'm going to go straight away with the foundation. Today I'll be using Urban Decay's All Nighter Foundation, and this is in this shade 7.75. It has been really a long time since I last used this, so I thought, okay, yeah, why not? Let's just use it again. Oh, I'm so scared. I'm using this white top and I just hope I don't spill on my top. Oh, okay. Good job. And then with a damp beauty blender, I'm going to blend this all in. Wow, this is so white. Actually, I've really tanned a lot in past like 5-6 months, and because I go swimming, this tan is continuous on my body. It's not going off. So this shade, which was the perfect match once, it's looking very light on me now. Oh wow, that's way too light. Okay. Then I'm going to use this Born This Way Radiant Concealer in the shade Very Dark, and basically I'm going to use this for contouring. To blend this, again I'm using a damp beauty blender. And now I'm going to just set this contour with NARS Casino Bronzer. It's bronzer, I know, but this does a very good job at setting your... Okay, so I'm back. I did my eyebrows off camera. So let's move on with the look. So this comes with a brush. Usually these brushes are of no use, at least I don't find them any interesting. And this is the beautiful palette, and as you can see, there is a good range of shades. Like this is all warm toned, from light white, then creams, then little light browns, nudes, shimmers, and then we've got dark brown over here. So let's get started. And for this look, I'll be using primarily these three brushes. One is Morphe, one is Sigma, the other one is from PAC. This is my E40 for blending brush. So now I think I will be first taking the shade Sauce, which is this one. Then I'm going to change to Low Blow over here. And I'm going back again with the same Sigma E40 brush. And in a windshield wiper motion and circular motion, I'm going to blend it in my crease. Then I'm going with the Morphe brush number M441. And now we're just basically going to darken this eye look. And I'm going with the shade Hey Devil over here, which is dark orangey, bricky kind of a color. I so really love this or the brick, and these kind of shades. They're just so like meant for my skin tone. Now I'm going to go with this shade over here, which is like maroony brownish kind of a shade, and I'm basically going to just darken my crease because I'm thinking of going for a cut crease look with this palette. So we're going to darken this up. These shades are extremely pigmented, so be careful that you go little at a time, because when you go little at a time it is easy to blend. So now that I'm done with this, I'm going to go for a cut crease, and for that I'll be grabbing my, I'm going to grab my Sigma shader inner corner brush E46. This is how it looks like, and I'm going to take my concealer and cut crease. Now I'm going to set this concealer with this shade over here, the second shade. So I'm going to take this shader brush E56 again from Sigma, and I'm going to take that chaser shade and pack it all over my eyelid, especially on the concealer. I'll be taking this shimmer shade, what is this? Lumiere, this shade over here. It's nice red, reddy kind of. And I'm going to apply it only on the center of the eyelid. Wow. Beautiful, isn't it? The eyeshadows are super buttery, very buttery. It feels so soft when I apply it on my eyelids, It's really soft. And then I think I will be going with the shade Scorched, which is dark. Although, on camera, I don't know, it's not seen as dark, but it's quite dark. I don't know, And with the same brush, I'm going to apply it to the outer corners. With a clean brush, I'm going to fill in with the first shade Ounce, which is a whitish glitter kind of a shade, shimmer. With the same Morphe brush, I'm just going to darken this part. Okay, so I just did my eyeliner and mascara off camera. Rest I will do it over here. So moving on to the blush, and for today's this look, I will be going with NYX Hampton's blush. This is how it looks like. It's a nice orange kind of a shade, like not really orange but peachy orangey, and with the help of Real Techniques retractable kabuki blush brush, I'm just going to apply it to the apples of my cheeks. This is not very pigmented, but it's buildable shade, so you might have to go back and forth a couple of times to get the desired shade. Now moving on to the highlighter, I will be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Ambresi highlighter. I am just in complete awe with the packaging. It's such a beautiful packaging. It's so luxurious packaging. The feel is very rich. It's very sturdy. The mirror, the look, the shine, everything is just wow. And with the help of Morphe 501 brush, I'm going to apply it to the highest points of my cheeks, where the light will get reflected, and on the bridge of my nose, and a little bit on the arch of the eyebrow. And for lips, first I'll be lining my lips with this NYX lip pencil in the shade brown. And then I'm going to use NYX Lingerie in the shade Seduction. And I'm going to mix it off with Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick and lip gloss in shade Undressed. And then I'm going to finish this off by setting my makeup with, again, Smashbox Primer Water. Set and Refresh Spray.